Want to learn how to build sales funnels that actually work? Whether you're just starting out or already running a business, the right course can save you time and help you grow faster. Here's a list of the best funnel building courses from beginner to expert level to help you launch and scale your funnels with confidence. Best funnel building courses, beginner to expert. 1. One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels, $100. 30-day training to build and launch your first funnel. Daily video lessons from Russell Brunson, Julie Stoyan, and Stephen Larson. Actionable steps, workbook, and accountability. Best for beginners who want fast results with expert guidance. 2. Funnel Builder Secrets by ClickFunnels, $1,997. Advanced Funnel Strategy and Scaling Techniques. Includes ClickFunnels Software Access Plus Training Bundle, covers email automation, upsells, webinars, and more. Best for entrepreneurs serious about growing a full online business. 3. Funnel Hacking Secrets by Russell Brunson, $997. Learn how to ethically hack high-performing funnels, copywriting, design, offer creation, and traffic training. Includes funnel templates and scripts. Best for marketers who want to model successful funnels. 4. Kajabi Funnel Building Bootcamp, free with Kajabi trial. Focuses on course creators and membership sites, step-by-step training to build lead funnels and sales pipelines. Includes email marketing and landing page setup. Best for coaches, consultants, and digital product creators. 5. System.io Funnel Mastery Course, free. Teaches how to build funnels using System.io, covers product setup, email automation, and integrations. Ideal low-cost alternative to ClickFunnels. Best for beginners on a tight budget.